Are you tired of hearing the same old boring health tips that make you want to snooze rather than get healthy? You know the ones: eat more greens, drink more water, cut out sugar. Sure, they work, but let's be honest, they're not exactly exciting. If you're like me, you want something a little more fun, a little more flavorful, and a lot more interesting. Well, you're in luck because today, we're about to shake things up in the kitchen and in your daily routine. Let's talk about one of the most underrated super spices out there, cinnamon. That's right, we're about to spice things up, literally and figuratively, with this aromatic, versatile, and surprisingly powerful ingredient. Cinnamon isn't just for your grandma's apple pie or your favorite holiday cookies, it's a secret weapon for your health, and I'm going to show you 5 mind-blowing ways to use it that go way beyond dessert. Let's kick things off with a problem we all face from time to time: bad breath. Maybe you just had a garlicky lunch, or maybe you're heading into a meeting and want to feel extra fresh. Instead of reaching for sugary gum or artificial mints, try this. Grab a cinnamon stick and chew on it for a few minutes. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial properties that help fight the germs causing bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling clean and your breath smelling sweet and spicy. Plus, it's a totally natural solution. No weird chemicals, just pure delicious spice. It's like nature's own breath mint, and it fits right in your pocket or purse. Next up, let's talk about mornings. We all have those days when we wake up feeling groggy, sluggish, and in desperate need of a pick-me-up. Here's a simple hack. Add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to your morning coffee or sprinkle it over your oatmeal. Not only does it add a warm, comforting flavor, but cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which means you're less likely to experience those mid-morning energy crashes. It can help you feel more alert and focused, and it's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. Plus, your kitchen will smell amazing, and you'll feel like you're treating yourself to a fancy cafe breakfast every morning. Now let's tackle another common issue: scratchy throats and the sniffles. Whether it's allergy season, cold season, or you just talked a little too much at last night's party, a sore throat can really ruin your day. Here's an old-school remedy that stood the test of time. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon in a mug of warm water. Stir it well and sip it slowly. The honey soothes your throat while the cinnamon brings its natural antimicrobial powers to the mix. Not only does it taste delicious, like a warm, comforting hug in a mug, but it can also help calm irritation and support your immune system. It's a simple, tasty way to feel better fast. Ever notice a trail of tiny ants marching across your kitchen counter, no matter how clean you keep things? Here's a hack that's as effective as it is fragrant. Sprinkle a line of ground cinnamon wherever you see ants entering your kitchen. Ants absolutely hate the smell and texture of cinnamon, so it acts as a natural barrier. Unlike harsh chemical sprays, cinnamon is safe for kids and pets, and as a bonus, your kitchen will smell like a cozy bakery instead of a science lab. It's a win-win: no more ants, and a home that smells deliciously inviting. Let's not forget about your skin. Dry, flaky skin can be a real nuisance, especially in the colder months. But did you know cinnamon can help here too? Mix a pinch of ground cinnamon with a spoonful of coconut oil to create a simple homemade skin treatment. Dab it gently onto dry patches, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Cinnamon's natural antimicrobial properties can help keep your skin clear, while coconut oil moisturizes and soothes. Just remember, a little goes a long way, and always do a patch test first, because cinnamon can be spicy on sensitive skin. But when used carefully, it's a natural way to give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. So the next time you spot that jar of cinnamon in your spice rack, don't just think about desserts or holiday treats. Cinnamon is so much more than a baking ingredient. It's a versatile, everyday health booster that can transform your routine in simple, delicious ways. From freshening your breath to energizing your mornings, soothing your throat, keeping your kitchen pest-free, and even pampering your skin, this humble spice truly does it all. Remember, when it comes to cinnamon, a little goes a long way. Its flavor is bold, and its benefits are powerful, so start small and see how you like it. Try adding it to your favorite recipes, drinks, or even your self-care routine. You might be surprised at how much of a difference this simple spice can make. So go ahead, give these cinnamon health hacks a try and see how they work for you. Whether you're looking to freshen your breath, boost your energy, soothe your throat, keep your kitchen ant-free, or treat your skin, cinnamon's got your back. Spice up your life, have some fun with it, and don't forget to thank me later.